my number box 7.
Wow, let me see. So what numbers here we made? 1,
1, 3, 2, 7.
Wow! So cool, babe! Elaine! So
That's
cool!
really-
Yeah, number blocks.
1 is a baby.
Yeah. And then the 3.
2.
Yeah. Then the 2.
Then I have to make the grass and the clouds and the trees.
Okay. Yeah, make it there.
And the bush.
Yeah, to make it nice. And no need to color the background, okay? I'm gonna give you very light color, like light blue. I will give you, but don't just wait for me to give you that. Because if you're going to color it with the dark, like what you did last time, it's gonna be pangit. So I'm gonna give you something very light for background. Okay? Okay, color it now. I mean, you just make a... be careful, you're gonna fall. What you gonna do now? You're gonna put some...
Light blue.
Oh, you're gonna put... I mean, you're gonna put some plants or trees, what?
Bushes and
Okay,
trees.
go.
And clouds.
Okay, say bye guys.
Bye guys.
Here. See you later.
See you later.
Yeah. So you just say I'm gonna finish it first.
I'm gonna finish it first.
So what you're gonna do?
You're gonna stick in the wall.
Yes, you're gonna put the background and with the plants and the
Yeah.
bushes. Okay,
And
bye.
then you go put it there.
There. Our drawings.
Yeah.
Okay, bye.
Bye. Please watch the video. You guys also please watch the video. Bye.
Bye.